and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today it's Happy Friday to you. Maybe, I don't know, it's Friday for me. This is Ippudo Shiromaru, I think. Classic. This is a variety on the menu at the Ippudo restaurant, and this is a classic tonkatsu. And the other two, this came in a box from Zen Plus. Thank you. I'm hoping to do more collabs with them and try more varieties from them. So Zen Plus is a place where you can get different Japanese things, from like toiletries to stationery to high-end ramen noodles, all sorts of junk. And you can get it easy and blah, 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 blah. So zenplus.jp, they're part of the Zen group. There's tons of Zen stuff. You've seen me do Zen Pop unboxings, I'm sure. So Zen. So this is a shelf-stable, fresh noodle, which means, look, I mean, it's just like, yeah. So we do this for 20 seconds. I'm gonna try to keep it separated. Come on. It literally is just like wham bam, thank you, man, all done. Okay. All right. So, now what happens? Well, we take it off the heat, that's for sure. I think I went more than 20 seconds. That's okay. I think it kind of needed it. So, here we go. Yeah, crazy quick. We've got a liquid base. Like so. Yeah, these Ippudo ones that come in these little boxes are super high-end, high quality. We got a big, thick one. And we're gonna add this in. That was incredibly fast, you gotta admit. Ooh, here we go. This will be our tonkatsu broth. So this will be nice and porky and wonderful and a shame to waste. That's what I will say about this one. But you know me. Let's give it a stir. Kind of looks like Thousand Island dressing, doesn't it, ladies and gentlemen? But I have a feeling this is going to be absolutely wonderful stuff. Here's our noodle. Nice and thin. Itadakimasu. Beautiful noodle. Thin gauge, but the chew is robust, just right. Just right. I want a black soup spoon for this so you can really get a nice look at the broth. Here's your broth. Nice tonkatsu creaminess. Oh yeah. Heaven. That, I would say, I could definitely say that's probably, if not one of The best tonkatsus I've had. And I'm not surprised. Wow. That's freaking good. Wow. And I mean, yeah. That one was good. The first one was alright of the box set. There were 3 varieties. The last one that I had was my favorite. It was like a spicy tonkatsu, like Karaka spicy. And it was absolutely spectacular. It had like this blob of miso funk that went along with it that was just splendid. I'm gonna use some of my my chashu I made last time. The chashu I made probably is the best tasting chashu I've ever made. However, see, it's not exactly round and it's really fatty, which is fine, but the sugar salt mixture for it was just like swelligant and thrilling. And as usual, I want to thank my good friend Pete, who gave me the recipe for this. He's worked in ramen restaurants. I don't know what happened to him. I can't see him anywhere online. But hope you're doing well, buddy. Because this recipe he gave me, it works. Unless you take your pork belly and slice it too thin, and it's so thin that you can't like wrap it up and make it look right. Which is what I did. But every other time I've done it, it's come out perfect. So I guess that's probably about the 3rd, 4th time I've made chashu in the last year, 2, 3. So I gotta say, that ain't too bad. He also had a really good method that I still have yet to try for slicing soft-boiled eggs, which involves using a little bit of fishing line and holding it very tight, and you just kind of like, the egg slices through it. You know what I mean? So, still got to get some fishing line. I had some fishing line, but it was like absolute garbage. It was actually elastic, so that didn't work. Okay, now we've got our spring onion right there. Look at that, folks. Yummy! Yummy! I'm gonna put a little bit of mung bean sprout on here. Looking kind of squared there. I don't know, maybe I need to do this up a little differently next time. And then we've got some pickled ginger, kizami shoga. It's funny, there's kizami shoga and beni shoga, but I'm pretty sure kizami shoga is this, because it's the ginger that's in strips. I think beni shoga isn't shredded like this. I don't know. I see things in so many different ways referred to, and it's like, I think maybe there's sliced and then there's shredded, and one of them is like what you see on for sushi, the palate cleanser style. I used to take the sushi ginger and I would take a George Foreman grill and take a chicken breast and put it on it and just get a first sear to it. And then I would take the pickle juice from that and I would pour it on the chicken breast and do that a whole bunch. And that was really good. So this is shichimi. They just call it pepper, but I'm pretty sure it's shichimi. I'm just gonna dump. Oh, maybe it is pepper. White pepper. Okay. And a little bit of seed. Like that. Yeah, maybe that spring onion kind of blended a little too much. Let's hop on top. There you go. Hop right on top there. I wish I had some Narutomaki, but I haven't been able to get over to Wajimaya recently to get the Narutomaki I like. But there you go. Wow. Ippudo, rocking it. And there will be a link to get this in the actual review, so watch that for that. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. If you want to see this again, here it is. This is the Ippudo Shiromaru tonkatsu classic, blah, blah, blah. I'll give you the barcode from it, because I'm sure some of you guys are going to want this. If you Google it, it'll be 4979385061509. So you can rewind and go forward, rewind and go forward. But they've got it on Zen Plus. And you can probably just get this one, I'm pretty sure, like a pack of these. And they're good. They're really, wow. Anyways, this is Manav's the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Wow. Yeah. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Have a good one and bye-bye.